Firstly, this toothpaste, according to the package, is infused with essential oils and mint flavor to provide long-lasting freshness. And what I found interesting is that the color of the toothpaste is white and not green. Most mint tubes of toothpaste show the green color, but this one doesn't. It was just an observation. It doesn't take away its cleaning abilities. Another thing that I would like to point out is when I discovered this line, I was looking for a toothpaste that does not focus on whitening. Because I have braces, I don't want the lower and upper half of my teeth to be white, while the part where the brackets are continue to be stained. I prefer to focus heavily on the whitening after my treatment. Now, if my teeth become brighter as I remove the plaque buildup and etc., that is okay. That would just be a bonus. This toothpaste is marketed with the hope of gently whitening your teeth by removing stains. In fact, ingredients like hydrogen peroxide and baking soda are not included. It's targeted to those who want a minty breath and a deep gum cleaning. This gum and breath Purify deep clean toothpaste is comparable to other kinds of toothpaste in its functions such as removing plaque, aiding in protecting and improving gum health care. But what I like the most about this toothpaste is the fresh breath after brushing, and apparently I'm not the only one that thinks so. This toothpaste has a 4.9 rating. Now, in terms of the cost, for the standard 4 ounces, it costs $6.99. That's all I have to say regarding this toothpaste. If you like this video about the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, please make sure to hit the like button. Comment down below a favorite toothpaste of yours. Another toothpaste I like is the Gum Detoxify by Crest as well. If you would like to see how I use my water flosser and my electric toothbrush to deep clean my braces, click the eye right here to watch the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.